Hello and welcome to View. This video tutorial is to show you how to install Dynamips, Dynagen and Gns3 router emulator on Ubuntu 10.04 operating system platform. If you're preparing for the CCNA certification examination or for the CCNP, whatever it is called, you know what Dynamips, you know what router is all about, and you know why I'm doing this. It's simply a way for you to be able to configure routers on your PC rather than you having to buy routers. Routers are expensive, and I don't know if you have all that money to take out to purchase the one that you want. And so let's proceed. So I'll have to close this window, and another information I have to let you know is that for Dynamics and Dynagen, for Gns3 to be able to work, you need the Cisco iOS operating system, the images, and you need to get them by googling it and downloading it. You can't go to Cisco and get it. You just have to Google it and download it. Alright, let's proceed. We go to System, Administrator, and Synaptic Application Manager, and it comes up with a Synaptic Application Manager window, and here you type Dyna. So it brings up Dynagen and Dynamips. So if we start with Dynamips, it will only install Dynamips, but if we select Dynagen, it's going to say mark for installation, and it's going to tell you mark additional required changes, and so it's going to install Dynamips as well, so you don't have to go install Dynamips separately. So you just mark and click apply, and it says to be installed. If you click here, it shows you Dynagen and Dynamips. Say apply, and it installs both. It doesn't take long, few seconds, depending on how fast your computer is though. So it says changes applied, close. Alright, now we want to install Gns3, and you have it here. Dynamics is already installed, that's why this one is green, and we just select Gns3 and says select mark for installation and click apply. Say to be installed Gns3, and we click apply. And it says changes applied. So we close this, and we're done with the installation, and close the Synaptic Package Manager. Okay, here we go to applications, and we'll find our Gns3 graphical network simulator under education. Okay, and click on cancel for the now. I had already installed this before, so it's not prompting me with a window, with a two-step window to lead me through the configuration, in the initial setup. So mine just simply works like that because I had already configured it. But if not, it takes you to a window like this that says Edit iOS Image Supervisor, Images and Hypervisors. Pardon me. And you just have to locate what file you want to add. Like me, I want to add this router. This is the image of this is the uncompressed image of the operating system, of this operating system for router C2691 Cisco router. So I select this and say open. Okay, I say save. It's right here. I click close. Alright, so I bring this here, just drag and drop. Without that installation, without that operating system that I just added, you cannot drag and drop. It's not going to work. So I right click and click on start, and right click again and click on idle PC. So please wait while calculating an idle PC. So this idle PC is it's good so that it can limit the amount of processor or processing power that is that a routing simulator takes. If you don't set this, it's going to take like 100%. So it has to be set, and it's pretty easy for you to set it. Okay, it comes up with some values. The one that has asterisks is usually the best one for you to choose. So I'm going to choose this number 5 and click OK, and it applies it to this router, and that's it. And to go to the terminal whereby I can make my configurations, I just have to click this button. Right now it has already booted in the background when I added this router, but if that is not the case, assuming I close this, assuming I delete this, and add a new router and click run, and I click this, it starts to boot, and this is what you see. So that is the simple step to installing Gns3 and Dynamips and Dynagen on Ubuntu operating system. If you have any question, if you don't understand anything, feel free to leave a message or leave a comment, and I'll try to answer your question as best as possible. And another thing is for the Cisco iOS images, you just have to Google it. There's no way you can get it from the Cisco website. You just have to Google it and find like torrents and so on. Alright, thank you for listening. Okay, bye.